someone who's not here. Let's unpack the politics according to you. What are these politics? Because I feel like these politics as abandon.
Yeah.
To report.
Sorry. Okay, thanks, Dumza. The politics, remember at SAFA Buffalo City, there were elections in 2022. There will be another election this year for those that are still there. There were elections in 2022. I was contesting Mr. Mxolisi Spam to be the president. I had 5 LFAs that were going with me. There were 7 in total. So I've got those 5 LFAs for me to be the president of Buffalo City. But unfortunately, that is the trick in the game of soccer, whereby you are contesting, you eliminate the ones that are going with this person. Once, which is Zwelicha, that side, were eliminated to be not part of the people that will be voting, to make sure that the numbers, we cut the numbers.
Sorry to cut you off. Like, how's it eliminated? Because I know my understanding, because it's of water or because of a congress or whatever, like we see, abantu bakhe but time let's say abantu abazakwazi uvota by 5 ne, so mna ne-3 une-2 yakho, so ngizama understand about to eliminate uba uyamkhupha omnye ba makangakwazi uvota njani.
Okay, thanks. What happened, it was like this. Even today in soccer, you will know that there is an LFA that is singing your name. Say, we as Konga LFA will vote for Vukile Mlanjana.
Okay.
Yeah. Even us in terms of being again reinstated as the leaders of the Konga LFA first. But we are saying we are voting for Vukile Mlanjana. We want him to be a president of Buffalo City.
Okay.
When there was that time for those guys and their clubs to vote the leaders that were singing my name at that time to be the SAFA Buffalo City president. The clubs, those guys had 26 clubs. Only 4 clubs were against those guys. Only 4 at Konga. Then they've got 22 clubs for them, which is they were winning the elections. But the issue of nominations, it was the technicality of a nomination saying that, guys, you put your nominations at a wrong person. But this guy said, we put our nomination to the secretary, which was Zuki Safalakatla at that time. And then the president said that the nomination forms must be put to Vele Lobalin, which is the chairperson, the current chairperson at that time. So there was that technicality that he made sure that these guys, 22 clubs, they are not participating in voting. Only 4 clubs vote. And out of 26.
Sure.
Because he said, no, you put your nomination to a wrong person. You're supposed to be giving a chairperson, not a secretary. Yeah. Then it was said that both of them, you can give the secretary, you can give the chairperson, because they are the ones that are running the LFA. So at that time, they started, those guys get to have those things. You know, when you write, you can write to the province, they won't answer you at the time. You write it to national, they won't not respond back or give you feedback, what is happening. And then those guys, that LFA was put out of SAFA Buffalo City. We are going for elections at that time. So out of the LFAs that also were going with me, which is Ikonge, I was left with 4 now. The fourth one was the Legends. The Legends, Ezazi Pansi or Mr. Tsi and Nduku. Also those ones were...
Is it BCMFA?
BC, Buffalo City Masters. Yeah.
Football
Association. So also those ones were removed because he said they are not members also in good standing.
To be in good standing, in
good standing, at SAFA Buffalo City, there's an affiliation fee of ELFAs that they need to pay. It's about 30,000 rand that you need to pay every year.
Okay.
So you pay that, and then after you've paid that, that's the most important thing. And then you are in good standing. So it was the issue of that technicality also, because those guys paid that money. But it was the issue also trying people when you're going to vote, saying that, no, you didn't pay for this year. This money that you put, it was for last year, because last year you had a shortfall of this, so it was that technicality. So, but we were left with 3 on my side.
Okay.
He's got 2. And then the third one, the third one was Mtanzania.
Yeah.
The one that now is under administration. The one now, after the elections, they never played soccer. After 2022, they never played soccer.
Yo.
After that. So the third one was Mtanzania. Mtanzania, it was part of me. Two nights before the elections, then Mtanzania changed their minds. We were together since September, talking one language, but when we go to the 16th of January for elections 2022, 2 days before the elections, they changed their minds. Said, no, they are going with the other side. So now the changes, it was 3-2. So I lost the elections. Wow. So it was like that. That's how this thing of the politics come. Immediately after that, I've got that costing. Because remember, when you are going to elections, you have a sort of a manifesto that you are promising your LFAs.
So 1, 2, 3.
Things I'm going to do. Immediately after, it was 16th of January. On the 5th of February, I produced one of my things that I said, I will make sure that it coaches for Manuti license. On the 5th of February, I make sure that I deliver that. And then immediately after that, people were starting to say, hey, this guy, why? Please block this guy because he's using even not affiliates. They are suspended, are rebels. Because I said, people, you can just come to Gombo and then we'll give you Tina. Everybody is supposed to get a chance. Yeah. So they started that thing. And then I started to deliver most of things, Amazulu coming to Gombo. And then also the programs, Navadas, they were starting to come. Lots of sponsors, Eastern Cape Liquor Port. So the things were starting to happen for Gombo LFA. The things that I promised to do for the region, they were coming to Gombo LFA. So all the things that I promised the guys, we did deliver at Gombo as an LFA.
And I appreciate your honesty, explaining and everything. But I have one issue. Okay. Like he's saying now, all the things that he promised, manifesto, they're going to the LFA, which is one-sided.
Yeah.
It's no longer about the region. Of which I'm not saying, but of which to me I feel like that's a failure to the region.
Yeah.
I understand. That's why even the previous episode I was saying, can't there be in the you halfway for the betterment of football, for a chance to give these boys an opportunity to go out and play with teams. Yeah, we don't have a professional team. We don't have a professional team. Yeah, I understand. Like, ngoku simane sibona kuthiwe yeah ikhona intwana yakho 7, ikhona intwana seSnare Park, ikhona intwana ethile. But if everyone we were channeling all these efforts, all these energies to ifanele mostawugalela yonke into sichanela into one izogcwala. Because ngoku some of us who have been around in football that went out, we went to these provinces, we worked at these football clubs, we've got contacts, but now to pick up a phone, uthi, you can't, because there's no dressing room, there are no nets, in Devani or wherever, but you see the infrastructure is not there. Uba kulungiswe lento, because I didn't believe on a PK. If I know uba une influence, une connection, I must keep you next to me so that nam ndizokhula.
Yeah.
Singayilungisa njani tavu.